Welcome to the lesson on sampling plan. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to define and describe the purpose of a sampling plan. Imagine you work for a large production company who has recently had some customer complaints about one of your products. To find which products are defective, you could test every single product you create, but this would take way too long. So instead, you choose to test only a small number of your products. This is called sampling. Sampling plans are used when it is impractical for a company to test all of the products they produce. Sampling plans are outlines describing how measurements of a representative sample of materials will be taken. The process of selecting samples for inspection should represent with some accuracy the entire population of products. If the sampling plan is constructed appropriately, the results of the measurements of the sample should be representative of the entire population. For instance, consider the picture on the slide. The sample selected is part of the whole population and will present the same characteristics as the population. Usually, the sampling process involves statistical analysis of historical data on the production processes. Sampling plans should include a description of the needed sample size, the location from which samples should be taken, the frequency for taking samples, and the criteria for acceptance in a sample. Details of a sampling plan may inherently carry the potential for decision errors. Thus, the organization should consider the risks as well as the objectives when selecting a sampling plan. One major risk of sampling is that the sample may not accurately represent the whole population. This is why it is important to select the appropriate sample size. If the sample size is too small, then the data is not representative of the population, but if the sample size is too large, then it will take a long time to manually collect the data. In EV battery manufacturing as well, finding the right sample size is critical for quality control. Testing too few batteries, like only 5 out of 10,000 produced, risks missing critical defects that affect charging performance and doesn't accurately represent production quality. Conversely, testing too many batteries, such as 1,000 from a 10,000 unit batch, ties up skilled technicians, increases costs significantly, and delays vehicle deliveries. Statistical methods typically suggest testing around 100 batteries, which provides 95% confidence in quality while maintaining efficient production flow. In summary, sampling plans are used for quality inspections where samples of products are tested to infer the quality of the entire population of products. The sampling plan outlines the number of products to be tested and the manner in which they should be tested. If the sampling plan is not created appropriately, there is a danger of the sample data not being representative of the population as a whole. This is why it is important to develop a correct sampling plan before any product inspections can begin. Thank you.